IFEX Philippines is a platform where visions are turned into reality and opportunities are seized. So again, I'd like to congratulate the IFEX, being the chairman of the Committee on Trade and Industry. Rest assured, your budget, your other needs will be continuously protected by yours truly. I'm a firm believer pag kitang-kita naman po ang result of work ng IFEX. I think it speaks for itself. And I think it's such an important endeavor that we have these kinds of organizations to help our MSMEs, especially in the food industry that has so much potential. Ako, pag pupunta po ako sa abroad, natutuwa din po ako dahil nakikita ko ang mga restaurants sa abroad. Pupunta po ako sa New York, nakita ko po yung Jollibee sa Times Square, nakikita ko po yung mga brands natin na talagang maasenso sa abroad. At hindi lang limited sa mga Pinoy, pati yung mga foreigners kinakain din nila yung mga food concepts natin. Kaya nakikita ko po na napakalaki ng potential ng ating food industry. I myself, I'm also a food vlogger. YouTube din ako kasi madalas ako pinikot sa Pilipinas at pag pupunta ako sa isang lugar, hinahanap ko talaga yung pinakasikat, yung mga pinaka-native foods ng lugar na pinuntahan ko. So that's regular. YouTube ako sa mga foods and I'm very impressed by the quality and the creativity of foods, and I commend the IFEX for creating an event where we can showcase the talents of Filipinos in the food industry. Not just